Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. What you need to do, you need to tap on your YouTube channel logo. After that, here you can see your YouTube channel. Now what you need to do, you need to click on again view your channel. Here you can see, click on this view your channel. After that, what you need to do, you need to click on this pencil icon. Here you can see, simply you need to click on this your pencil icon. After that, click on this name icon, and front of the name click on this pencil icon. Here you can see, simply click on this pencil icon again. After that, here you need to add a new name for your YouTube channel. For example, this is my YouTube channel name. Now here you need to add a new name. After that, click on save button. In this way you can change your YouTube channel name in your YouTube app. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.